Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to bulk export mobile devices in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. Although Google Admin Console had this option. But using xFanatical Foresight, we will not only export the mobile devices but also upload it to Drive and send the list via email, and hence creating a workflow automation. Click the New Rule button and select the manual trigger. Select the List Mobile Devices action. In the Columns field, select the following columns, and leave the rest of fields as it is. Click Add Next action and select Upload Data to Drive action. Select the Mobile Devices CSV download link in the CSV file URL and Google Drive folder in the Google Drive folder field. Click Add Next action and select the Email action. Then, enter the email address of the manager and create a subject line. After that, create an email body and insert the group member's CSV download link through the variable icon. Give a rule name and click Create. Triggering the rule. Click the plate icon to trigger the rule. Check the status about successful rule triggers through Notification and Logs page. Verifying the result. Now let's verify the result from the action history. Then, download the CSV file. Check the CSV file through Google Drive. You will find the exported group members in the Google Drive CSV file. Then, check the CSV file that you have sent to the specific email. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.